Welcome to a world of futuristic opportunities where every original idea can turn into a profit-making machine. Imagine a place where you can create, publish, and monetize your own artificial intelligence models. Yes, that's right. The much-anticipated OpenAI's custom GPT store is set to open its doors next week. And here's how you can catch this golden goose before everyone else does. OpenAI's GPT Store is a first-of-its-kind artificial intelligence marketplace. It's a platform for ChatGPT Plus and enterprise customers to build, publish, and profit from their own custom GPT, or generative pre-trained transformers models. These are built using OpenAI's GPT-4 large language model. The possibilities are only limited by your imagination, from resume creation to transforming photos into Simpsons characters, while adhering to OpenAI's usage policies, of course. Here's a brief guide on how you can start making money from your own GPT model. Firstly, you need to have a ChatGPT Plus or Enterprise account. The cost for ChatGPT Plus is $20 per month. For Enterprise, you'll need to get in touch with sales for pricing details. Once you've signed up and logged in, you're ready to create your GPT. Click on Create a GPT on the homepage, and you'll be taken to a new page. Here, you'll see an open chat with ChatGPT and a configurations menu on the left-hand side. On the right, you'll be able to preview your chatbot through the site's playground view. Remember, the key to success in the GPT store is originality. The digital storefront is already generating a buzz online, and it's only a matter of time before it's flooded with AI lookalikes. So, you need to act fast and smart. Despite the potential for great profits, it's worth noting that OpenAI's GPT Maker has had its fair share of controversy, with a security flaw unveiled in November that allowed users to steal the build code powering public custom GPTs. So caution is advised when using the builder. In summary, making money from OpenAI's GPT Store involves creating a ChatGPT Plus or Enterprise account, building your unique GPT model, and then publishing and profiting from it on the platform. So gear up for the launch of this exciting new frontier in tailor-made AI. It's time to turn your ideas into profits with OpenAI's
generative pre-trained transformers, or GPTs, are driving this revolution. But how can you, as an individual, contribute to this revolution and benefit from it? Creating a GPT is a process that requires a blend of creativity, technical prowess, and a keen understanding of the market. It starts with identifying a unique concept. With thousands of GPTs already on OpenAI's marketplace, the key is to find a niche that isn't saturated yet, or at least to put a creative spin on an established concept. Next, give your GPT a name. This will be the title your AI model is displayed under. It's essential to make the name as descriptive and catchy as possible. Once the name is in place, add a clear set of instructions for your GPT to follow. These guidelines should be very detailed, outlining the primary function of your GPT, how it should answer queries, and what language it should use. Remember, the more context you add, the better. Now comes the fun part, testing your custom model. Interact with your chatbot, ask challenging questions, and address any potential gaps in its knowledge base. Once you're happy with the results, it's time to get your GPT live. When you are satisfied with your changes, hit publish or update if the model is already live. Then click confirm to finish the project. You will be provided with a link that can be shared with other users. To share your GPT with the store, review OpenAI's updated usage policies and GPT brand guidelines. Verify your builder profile and set your GPT as public, enabling it to be shown publicly on OpenAI's digital store. Now comes the most exciting part: monetization. Once your model is live on OpenAI's GPT Store, you'll be able to passively generate income from your custom creation. Users will be able to purchase your app and share it with others. But don't stop at just listing your app on the store. You can also use it to create high-performing, lucrative content, from marketing copy and social media posts to ebooks. If your idea is unique enough, you can even charge users for individually tailored responses. In conclusion, OpenAI's custom GPT Maker offers myriad opportunities to profit. The key lies in having an original idea and leveraging the power of AI and GPTs to bring it to life. It's time to level up your side hustle in 2024.